Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we did a Juneteenth vlog or video. I just basically showed you guys all the pictures I took of baby Cam. He is 6 months now, so the pictures you're seeing now is him in a playing with my Burger King crown that I got from Burger King. This is his outfit that he wore for Juneteenth. You guys just basically get to see how big he's gotten. In the rest of the video that you're going to see all the food that my cousins cooked. I basically just followed them around with a camera showing you guys all the food that they prepared, and they basically just did a seafood boil. So you're just seeing all the ingredients that she did. She did lemon, celery, and some other seasonings and stuff. Right now she's just adding sausages, and I basically just come back through every time she's adding something different just to show you guys everything she put in there. And in this part, she's adding the crab legs. Just seeing her, just showing everything. I was just the annoying person following everybody around with the camera today. But this is just a vlog showing everything that was cooked and prepared. So this is just her adding all the stuff. Just adding in the crawfish, and then I believe next will probably be. Later on, I'll come back and show you guys the shrimp. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see next time in the next video. Share with your friends. And I hope you guys had a wonderful Juneteenth with your friends and family. And hope you guys enjoyed your day. And I'll see you guys next time.